So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be talking about an important airdrop. It's an instant airdrop that you're going to receive in your wallet once you follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So right in this video you'll be seeing that the airdrop is already listed on exchange. So I'm going to show you the exact and the current price of this token right now. So you can see that it is listed at the price of $64.31. So this is the current exchange price of this token that we'll be talking about, the step-by-step guide on how you can claim it for free. So this airdrop is going to last till 10th of this month, so you have to do really quick and claim it's free right now. So you can see it's paired with USDT here, so it's absolutely free, and it's an opportunity to make a huge income with this airdrop that we're talking about today. So right now I'll be showing you step by step on how to get started. So when you click on the link that I add in the description of the video, I will also add their Twitter and the Telegram channel, through which you can be able to get connected and know what is going on with this project. So it's a very big project that will help you to make money online. So right now I will go straight to the sign up procedure to get you started. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you directly to the page that we are going to open right now. Okay guys, once you've installed the app, this is what you are going to see on your account or the application page once you click on open. So what you're going to do now is to create a wallet, okay, because it's an exchange. So you're going to create a wallet. Make sure you save your passphrase. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to refresh this. I'm showing you how the stuff is going to look like. Make sure you copy it or take screenshot or write it down according to how it's been numbered. Okay, let me go back and refresh it. Okay guys, so once you've followed the steps that I showed you in the first place, so it's going to take you to this stage. So once you get to this stage, what you're going to do is to make sure you copy the referral code. It's a long combination, so make sure you copy it. I'm going to make it easier for you to copy, so I'm going to add it in a doc format, so that once you copy it, you come back here and paste it and click on proceed, so that you receive the free airdrop. Okay, you can't proceed without putting my referral code. That is why it's very important you do that. So once you've clicked and downloaded the app, you go back and click on the link. It will take you straight, maybe probably to put the code that's supposed to be here automatically. But once you get to this point and it's empty, make sure you copy the referral code or the referral ID and proceed with the registration. Okay guys, once you get to the account dashboard, so this is where you are going to see every other functions that are available on the website. So you can see that the website is right here, and this is legality and gaming and NFT. So right here, once the page finish loading up, you are going to see your balance reflecting here. So you are going to click claim free one AVI token. So it's going to show up here. So one AVI token is equivalent to $64. So as you can see it, and I'm going to show you how you can copy your referral link and share with your friends and get more of this token before it ends on the 10th of this month, being June. So that is actually what this airdrop is all about. So you have to promote voraciously. Just promote it greedily. So do fast and promote, get more of this token. Each referral will give you 0.5 AVI token, so it's absolutely free. Let's do quick and get connected with this project so that we can maximize it at the end of the phase. Also guys, I'm actually having some network glitches on the trying to load up with the app, but once you finish registering and you receive the token, you are going to see it right here. Okay, this is where it will appear right here that this finger is pointing. So the total balance you have will show up right there, and what you need to do next, you can go ahead and start sharing your link. Okay, you can click on this to invite button. Below here you see invite button here. Just copy your link So share it with your friends, and once they register with your link and receive their token, you too you have your referral commission. And this airdrop actually started on the I think that was on the 25th of May. And on registration, the referrer will be getting one aviv. But right now, from 26th to 10th of June, which is currently the stage we are, you'll be receiving one aviv. So the value is reduced, the airdrop distribution has reduced, and the referral bonus has reduced to 0.5 aviv. So that is what it's all about. So make fast and get extra Aave token for yourself. Let's see how it goes. I will also make another video on how you can be able to swap and withdraw, or how you can be able to make use of the end airdrop token. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.